Hi, today I'm going to talk about on how to create a purchase order or a purchase inquiry in Riyalo accounting software. First, we have to go to transaction, purchase inquiry, and here you can enter your company name and enter the name of the item, how many pieces that you need, and then you can save. After saving, what you have to do is go to transaction, purchase, approve purchase inquiries so that you can approve the purchases that have been made. You can click approve and update. And now when you go to purchase and click order and other entries and click select, and here you can select your scientific pharmacy, and the purchase inquiry which we made has come here. Select the company name and save. Thank you.